Welcome to the InnoQuestions clients area. In this video, we will show you the Elements section in Results. Here, we will deepen the level of our ICIs by elements. Within the InnoQuestion methodology, elements are what we call the action keys. Only by acting on elements, we will work on specific aspects that will lead us to achieve changes. This is the reason why InnoQuestion provides this specific section to analyze the indexes obtained in elements from different perspectives. In the first place, we find the valuation table. It shows us the elements ordered by the index obtained. There is a brief guide of the meaning of the value obtained. With the selector, we want to call the attention on our strengths and also on our improvement items. You will see that the averages have different colors. You can click in the information symbol to see the meaning of each color. Next, we are going to see the distribution table. It shows the detail of the consensus level among participants to obtain the index of each element. This is linked to the concept of deviation. It is not the same thing having 3.79 with 1.04 deviation, which shows a high dispersion of participants' valuations. Then we can see that getting a lower valuation, such as 3.23 with 0.87 deviation, in this case, participants have coincided in the values chosen. What is more important to achieve is a homogeneous and consolidated culture. Thus, we prioritize the consensus above the gut valuation. Now, let's analyze the indexes by departments aligned. We propose here to analyze two basic concepts. First, the alignment among different departments when identifying which are our strengths and improvement items. And second, the range between departments. Let's start by the alignment concept. We can see that the table shows in the first place the elements ordered by their global valuation from higher to lower. Each index has a color as detailed in the information box you already know. In the right columns, we show the index set obtained by the same elements for each department. They have also one color according to their value. The purpose of this effect is to view the alignment between departments. When an organization has a homogeneous perception of its condition, regardless is better or worse, is in an optimal situation to work on its culture. In this case, we can observe that in the element trust, we find valuations far away pursuant to some departments. The lowest is a 2, and the highest is a 4.86. Something similar happened with the teamwork. While in exploration, we have more homogeneous valuations. If we activate the range marker, we will see for each department the difference between the department with more positive valuation than with the department with lowest valuations. This is the difference between the values. We can see that in the element trust, we have a 2.86 difference between the departments with the lowest ratings versus the departments with the highest ratings. We can make this same analysis by categories. In this case, we can see that there is a greater agreement in the valuation by categories. Let's go back to the menu. Finally, we work with the standard deviation. Information of elements, as we have already seen in distribution, the lower the deviation, the more solid is the value obtained. Here, we show the relation between average and deviation regarding strengths and improvement items. This explains why we can see by highlighting only the 9 first, both averages and deviations. Here, we can verify that not always the best averages are associated to the best deviations. It is important to keep in mind these knowns. And this is everything on the section Elements. If you want to learn more, visit our No Question channel in YouTube. Thank you for your attention.